In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bug in Jira. If you need to report a software defect clearly and make sure your team can act on it quickly, Jira gives you a simple way to create a well-structured bug ticket. The key is to keep the information organized so developers, QA, and project stakeholders can immediately understand what went wrong and how to reproduce it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your organization's Jira site, or sign in through the standard Atlassian login page if that's how your workspace is accessed. Once you're signed in, wait for the Jira home dashboard to finish loading so you can work from the main interface without missing any options. At the top of the screen, look for the Create button in the main navigation bar. Click it once to open the Issue Creation window. This pop-up is where you'll enter all the details for the new ticket, and it works as Jira's central place for logging issues from anywhere in the platform. When the form appears, start with the project field and choose the correct project where the bug should be tracked. This matters because it determines which team, board, and workflow the issue belongs to. Right below that, open the Issue Type dropdown and select Bug. Choosing the right issue type helps Jira classify the report properly instead of treating it like a task or a story. Next, move to the summary field and write a short, specific title that explains the problem clearly. Keep it concise so it's easy to scan in backlogs and sprint boards. After that, use the description field to document the bug in a structured way. A helpful format is to explain the expected behavior first, then the actual behavior, and then list the steps to reproduce the issue in order. Clear reproduction steps are especially important because they help other team members confirm the bug faster. Scroll down further and set the priority based on how serious the issue is. For example, a bug that blocks users from completing a major action may deserve a higher priority than a small visual problem. Then, if your Jira setup includes fields like component and fix version, choose the affected area of the application and the relevant version details. This helps route the bug to the right people and keeps release tracking more accurate. Before submitting, quickly review everything you entered. Make sure the summary is clear, the description is complete, and no temporary notes or placeholders are left behind. Once everything looks good, click the Create button in the bottom right corner of the window. Jira will then add your new bug ticket to the project so your team can begin tracking and resolving it. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.